Hey y'all, this is your girl Phoenix. Thank you so much for joining me again for another video. Y'all, this wig remix right here though, I put my foot in this, my whole foot, all the way to the ankle, to the calf. I put my calf in this, okay? So this here, ladies and gentlemen, is that 99J wig that I purchased from VIP probably about 3 or 4 months ago. If you want to see my initial reaction, you can check out that video. It's definitely on the Phoenix wig review playlist. So when I got that wig, this is a 13 by 6, which means it's 13 inches across of lace, and then you can part it 6 inches back. So the lace stops all the way back here. I'll tell y'all the truth, I really didn't like this wig. I love it now, but I really didn't care for this wig, and the main reason was because it had the silk top or whatever on the inside, and that really limits your styling options. Like, yeah, initially it seems really nice, you don't have to wear a stocking cap, but you only get about 1 inch in the front where you can customize before there's fabric sewn in. So for me, this wig does shed a lot, and especially in the frontal region, it sheds. She sheds, y'all. So eventually my baby hair started coming out, and I couldn't wear my hair like in a traditional middle part or side part because it was bald in the front, and I couldn't cut back the lace like I normally do because of the fabric. So I will be avoiding those silk top wigs from now on. They did them back in the day, y'all, back in like the early 2000s when lace wigs were really popping. So anybody that was around and doing it those years will know they did all the different types of closures. They did the U-part wigs, they did the V-part wigs. So don't be surprised, youngins, if y'all see a V-part wig come out soon, because they already existed. And women of color were putting their name on it early, okay? We created this hair shit, okay? So let me just put that out there. We created this hair shit. The styles, the plucking, the baby hairs, all the trends, that comes from us. So don't think that any of this shit is innovative, excuse my language, but it's not innovative. I'm 36 years old. I was there when lace wigs first came out. I saw the good, the bad, the ugly, you know, when it was only synthetic, then when it cost you 2 arms, a leg, and 1 of your nipples for human hair. I was there, y'all. So anyway, I decided to take my style back to the late 90s, early 2000s, when you would see the wispy bang fringe, and you would see the side part with some to the side. And yeah, I have been wearing this wig for about 1.5 weeks now since I initially cut it. I wasn't feeling too good, so I couldn't upload the way I wanted to. But I just wanted to show you guys the fringe changed this whole damn wig. I did wind up going in and refreshing the color, because the color was like right to the point of being an acceptable 99J when I got it. It was like really a dark red, not really burgundy. I can't really complain because I approve the color, but you know how it is. It looks different when you're looking at a picture as opposed to when you're there looking at it. So the color turns into like this funky pink. I'll include a clip so y'all can see. But after only wearing it like once or twice, and it's summertime, like the sun hit it and that shit turned pink, and that was not cute to me. So I went in and I got 1 bottle of Adore Intense Red, and I mixed that with the Cara Colors, Care, excuse me, conditioner in the color Merlot. And I painted that on with my color brush. I should have some pictures or clips with some in here. And then I cut my fringe. So I will definitely be showing you guys how I cut this fringe. This is like literally the best bang that I have done, y'all. And I am loving it. So I wish the wig didn't shed so much, because then it would have more life to it. But as it is right now, I can see me wearing this to the wigs fall off, because because I am just really, really loving this color that I did, and I'm really loving this cut. So yeah, I made it PC. This was a 26. I cut it up to probably about 22 inches. I could stand to actually cut a little bit more because the ends are kind of thin, but I feel like it's giving me a very natural density. I don't have any tangling issues with this hair. My only issue, like I said, is the shedding, and that's because this was originally a 613 wig that got colored to the shade. I was hoping that their coloring process would allow them to not bring the hair all the way up to a 613 before they dyed it red, because you really can't get away with it. You know, a color like this with L'Oreal high colors, you know what I mean? Like, you don't have to bleach it within 1 inch of its life. But it is what it is, y'all. So stay tuned. You're gonna see how I cut this fringe. Thank you so much for checking me out. And I will have another video within the next week because I need a new set of nails for myself. So we're gonna make me a set of nails. So y'all have a good one. Stay tuned. And make sure, if you haven't done it already, like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. The channel is growing. So I wanna thank everybody who has been subscribing, checking me out, sharing, commenting, the whole 9 yards. I haven't been doing this for a long time. However, this is on my bucket list. You know what I mean? Your girl's sick. I'm trying to accomplish as much as I can. So I'm done chatting y'all to death. Just stay tuned for the clips and learn how to do this nice piecey fringe. Yes, it's everything. Ignore my weepy ass eyeball, y'all. Look at the bangs. Look at the bangs. The bangs are everything. You got a round fat face like me? Yeah, you can wear bangs. Don't let them tell you nothing different. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. My boyfriend's gonna flip. Don't look at my boobage. Unless you like, comment, and subscribe, then of course, you know, you can check out the cleave. Stay tuned. Catch y'all later. Bye. I'll include a clip right here. A clip right here. Or a picture in here or something. A snippet of something in here. I know y'all like the songs. Okay, like, I don't like this damn song. Stop doing the damn songs. Guess what? I came back in my room to record the song. Okay. The clip! And I had already cut off some of the length, just so that I didn't have a whole bunch of hair in my face. Yeah, I feel like this is a good amount of bangage. I just want to focus on the middle. And take your time with this, guys. Like, because this ain't growing back. It's a wig. It's a wig. So once it's gone, it's been called on home to Jesus and it's over. And roll the clips. All right, guys, so I think these look perfect. It might be the best bang yang yangs I've ever done. Yeah, they're fluffy, they're cute. I can flatten them out, make them more piecey. But yeah, I think this is good for me.